Hi, I'm Rachel from Away with the Fairies, and this is part 3 of the Fairy Garden Mini Makes videos. They're a series of videos with some easy DIY fairy garden makes that you can do at home with the kids. And at the end of the series, you'll have a few lovely things to put into a fabulous fairy garden that you're going to be really proud of. So the idea with these videos is we use things that you might have lying around at home or you can get really easily from an online craft store. So today we'll be using string, twigs from the garden, mini pegs and scraps of felt or fabric. You could even cut up old clothes if you don't have anything like that. And in terms of the mini pegs, if you don't have those or you can't get hold of them, I'll show you an alternative. So to get started, you just need to cut a length of string. I've got nice multicoloured string here, but it really doesn't matter, plain or garden twine or a length of wool, anything that you might have hanging around. And basically you just tie a double knot to the top of your stick. You can get an adult to help you with that if it's too tricky. And so do that at both ends. There we go. And then voila! Now you need to make some things to go on the fairy washing line. So this is where your felt and fabric comes in. So you can cut out some simple shapes, just like little tea towels or something a little more creative, like a little fairy dress. You can even maybe try and do a little tutu out for lace. This is actually an old net curtain, but don't go cutting up the curtains because I don't want to get in trouble with your parents. There we go. So that's something really cute that can hang on your fairy washing line. Now we're going to pop your washing on the line. We have these mini pegs that I talked about earlier, so if you have those, that's fantastic. I'm just going to put one in the middle, just see if that hangs straight. Yep, that's fine. Little lace tutu. It's a nice windy day today, so that would work well for fairy washing. Now I did tell you I'd show you how to hang things on the line without the mini pegs, just in case you couldn't get hold of them. So I'll show you how to do that now. I've got this piece of felt here and the clear glue that we've used before. I'm just going to pop a little bit of glue on it. And then just fold it over and stick it down, because I know you might not be able to get hold of the pegs, so just want to make it nice and simple for everybody. There we go, 3 little bits of washing on the line. So that was our third mini make, really nice and simple. You could obviously make your washing line longer, put more clothes on it. You could also decorate the clothes with Sharpies and such like. That's going to look really cute when we put that in our fairy garden. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.